Yes, you can make money with your daily activities. When I mean daily activities, I mean you can make money with what you do at home, what you do at work, what you do for your children, what you do as for your maintenance, your eating. All these ones, they have huge amount of money on social media. Yes, you always see me taking photos, making videos, making clips, making reels and shorts when I'm at home, especially when I'm eating, when I'm cooking. And some people have like Christine or Immaculate show with food, they are just twins. No, it's not about showing you off that I'm giving you to see what I do at home. No, wisdom is for the people who will sit and think, what is she up to? I know most people at first, they took it for granted. Whenever they go to eat a nice meal, it's when they take a photo. Whenever they put on a very nice dress, it's when they took a photo. No. Now, anything that you see someone is putting in a camera and is consistent on social media, get to know that is money. We are talking about money on social media, money with your smartphone. Now, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make money with your smartphone, with the activities you do at home, things around you, and things within you. But before we dive in, let me tell you, this is a disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes. Most people take it wholly. No, you should pick some tips, go and make research. When you make research, come here, try it out on social media. If it works for you, it's okay. If it doesn't work for you, but just underline knowing that this video, we always give you tips on what we have used, what other people have used, then what has worked for us. But don't forget, there are terms and conditions. Consistency is one of the things. Consistency and learning is one of the a yardstick that every creator should have. Now, before we dive in and see how we can make money with our daily lifestyle, let me first appreciate our special engagers. Special engagers on Facebook, on YouTube, on TikTok, on Insta, every platform that we have. And even for the people who have bought our ebooks, please, we love you so much. We know really you have made us walk a very long journey. With social media, if you have someone who can appreciate you, click, like, comment. That person is the key, because it's where you get uh, video ideas. It's where you get your CTR, the click rate increases, recommendation is a guarantee. So never take for granted your audience, especially the active one, the one we call engagers. Can we dive in and see how do we make money on social media using our smartphone and our daily activities? First, have you seen me? I always go buy food. I know most of you do buy food. Most of you eat food, right? So if you're eating food, that is one way to make money. I mean cooking lifestyle. So why should you waste that time, that moment of taking a photo? Don't wait to go to a five-star hotel and they have bought for you food, or you have bought food for the first time and go to post. You can post the same food you eat at home. Is it locally made? Is it your culture food? Is it the food that you really saw on internet and loved it and went and tried it? You can make it. The only thing that you need to do is the presentation matters. Yeah, your presentation, because you not get anything and just throw there. Just look for the presentation. Presentation should be appealing. Try, even if you don't have money, you can look for nice dishes. You can look for nice pots. You can make your environment where you cook from very comfortable. I know someone. I have like two people now, yeah, and the one came after me. I groomed her, but she's doing well with cooking content. So you get it all because you eat every day. So whenever you see Immaculate Show putting a camera and taking a photo, or she's eating, anything can make money, provided you know the pros and the don'ts. Now, if we're talking about on that point of food, caption matters. So the food, you always have food, irrespective of what it has. What you need to think is the intention, the caption. Because the caption, is it on Facebook, is it on TikTok, is it on YouTube? It matters. That caption should be optimized and should be in your niche. Don't forget that at the end of the day, at the end of this video, I'll be giving you a very nice pro tip that you should be using. So what about your dressing? Like get ready with me. Most people, you've seen them putting GW, get ready with me videos. These videos, they are right because every day you put on, every day you dress. You might dress a good dress or you might dress an African dress, but at least you dress. That one is one way to make money. It is one way to make money because there's someone who wants to see, can I style up? Can I be having a scarf and I make it a waistcoat? Can I be having a scarf and I make it something that is very good? Someone out there is waiting for that. So don't forget to make that one. Yeah, the third one is about, let's talk about how you maintain your house. Your house is one of the things to make money on a daily basis. There is no excuse that you say, no, I'm very busy, I cannot have content, I cannot have video. Content creation is not about what you see people are doing, it's about what you want to do. So your household is the content in general. How do you organize your house? Eh? How do you organize your sitting room? You're going to say that one is for people with big rooms. No, even you with a bed. I know one of the girl that did her videos, or she's doing her videos, and she's getting a lot of, not a lot, but she's getting earning on a monthly basis from a very village setup, as in one room. She's on TikTok and YouTube. What attracted me to her? She has one bed. It's an African bed. You know these Ugandan small beds. One room small, and she has a cupboard where she cooks from everything. So she always climbs the door, goes down, saying from the bed goes to the door and goes down to go and cook. She says she comes from the first stair to the downstairs. That one is her concept. She had to sit down and write her thing, and she has nothing. She cooks from a local stove, and she shows it. She shows how she organizes her one room. Imagine what? Not one room, one bed. A bed, near the bed is where there is a kitchen, is where there is a stove. But and you would be interested to watch, and she gets money from that. So whatever you do around you at home, is it, you can even say, I'm going to be making content with my bed. So you structure it. You know what you're supposed to do. You're going to say, I'm going to make content with my kitchen. Structure what you want and do it, and see how you're going to do it. Now, I'll give you the last but not least. Last but not least is about travels. Most people love travels. Whenever they are going, yeah, they are going to the grocery. You can talk about it. You can show it. Now, the pro tip is, it's not about showing. It's about the intention. The intention, the caption, and the presentation matters. So from today, let me give you how you should do it and how I always do it and make money. I go to the caption, I rewrite it, and whatever I'm going to do in a video or in a, should we call it a reel, I always rewrite it in a way that it will have a CPR. It will be in a class of less competitive content. You might see it as get ready with me. Get ready with me is one of the competitive, so the CPRM is low, but for me, I will put it by optimizing it, and I put it in a less competitive content. Like this video is very small, but let us watch out the space and see how much it will give me. Simple, precise. You guys, thank you very much. Hopefully you've known that every day we can make money with our content. Don't wait to get it from a big person and say, Christian,